Hi guys, today's video is going to be a super quick one. It is going to be a lip swatch video of the super cute collaboration between ColourPop and Hello Kitty of their glowing lip balm set, which I am super excited about. So it's only 3 lip balms today, so it's going to be pretty fast, I'm pretty sure. I hope. I mean, we'll see. You never know with me. But basically, it is called the Yummy Smoothie collection, and it comes with the 3 flavors: Hello Fruity, Tropic Cute, and Fun in the Sun. They all have the same absolutely adorable packaging. Also, I believe they all have different scents. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I just smelled them all, and they definitely all smell different. So I'm so bad at smelling things, but I think, so this one's called Hello Fruity. And I think it's, oh my god guys, I'm so bad at scents. I wish it told you what they smell like. It smells amazing. It smells like fruity, like tropical, like maybe like a tropical punch. I'm pretty sure one of them, which is this one, it's coconutty, which is Fun in the Sun. I feel like that's meant to be like a pina colada. I feel like that's meant to be like a pina colada because it's like got a more coconutty scent rather than Hello Fruity, which is like super fruity. And this one, I think, this one is Tropic Cutie. I think this one's pineapple. I could be so wrong, but you know, get it yourself and smell them and tell me if I'm wrong because I probably am. But anyway, let's get into these swatches today. I'm gonna start with arm ones and then I'll move on to lip ones. Ooh, I don't know which one my favorite's gonna be, but I have a feeling it's gonna be one of the last 2. These 2. And maybe this one, but we'll see. Okay, let's get into this, shall we? Okay guys, so that was so fast, but that completes the swatches for these. They are so comfortable. That is like my first reaction to them. Like, I know I haven't worn them for very long, but they just feel so creamy and moisturizing. And even though I've like taken them off in between, like when I wasn't wearing anything for like a few seconds, my lips felt like they'd already been hydrated. Like it had already worked, which is insane because they haven't been on my lips for very long at all. I can't tell you which one my favorite is. I think it might have been the one before this one, so Tropic Cutie. It could be this one though. I'm not 100% sure. What do you think? Let me know which ones your favorites are, what your favorite colors of them are. I'm actually shocked at how pigmented they were. I was not expecting that for a lip balm. Like when it was on my arm, like it looked super pigmented and I didn't think. But when it went on my lips, I was like, whoo, this is like 2 swipes and it's on. I feel like you could dab it on and it wouldn't have this much coverage, but you'd still get like a really good amount of hydration from it because like honestly, it feels so good on my lips, like so comfortable. I feel like definitely like, especially because we're coming into spring now and like then going into summer, I feel like these are like the perfect like grab it, chuck it in your handbag, summer spring lip glosses because they smell like summery to me because it's like a summery collection, don't you think? Like look, she's in a bikini. It's pretty summery if you ask me. And also like pineapples and pina coladas, it's like, that's pretty summery. Or like, you know, tropical holiday, I guess. But anyway guys, that brings us to the end of this very short video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the products, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to like this video or subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that too. And hopefully I'll see you soon. One second. Me too. Let me know which ones wait. Let me know if you have any, and if you would like to subscribe to my video or